Just when we're dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, we also have to deal with the heat around us. The big question troubling a lot of us: is it safe to use air conditioners? The fact is, air conditioners control both temperature and humidity. This increases human resistance to infections, which is highly beneficial in the current pandemic scenario. Split ventilate the room. Go ahead, enjoy the cool comfort of your AC and don't let heat and discomfort add to your worries. Got questions? Please call us toll-free at 1800-209-1177 or 1860-266-6666 or email us at acadvicecovid19@bluestarindia.com. Stay home, stay safe, stay cool.